Hello, Karnaugh's map. A Karnaugh's map helps us in simplifying Boolean expressions. It was developed by Mr. Maurice Karnaugh, the mathematician who found out that this map design can help in reducing the hassle of a complicated Boolean expressions reduction. Now we are going to see how magical Karnaugh's maps are. But for that, we need to learn how to make it. There is a table in which there is a style in which the terms have to be fit. We'll start with a three variable sum of product expression. A two variable sum of product expression is very small to explain. So we begin with three variables. Later on, we can explore all those things slowly. Coming to the truth table is hopefully expected and it's probable that you know about it because this is the base of it. How the term numbers are placed for three variable, term number starts with 0 and goes up to 7, and the min terms are for all the zeros, they are a bar dot b bar dot c bar. The zeros are brought in with the complement of the variable and the ones are brought in with the direct variable. Now, the K-map part says that here this one is one of the ways. There are two symmetric ways. We'll focus in the one way. Once this style is thoroughly done, then we'll go to the other style. Here, the three variables are arranged in horizontal form. A is the first variable on the left, that is the first one on the truth table. And B and C are the second and the third correspondingly. They are brought as a heading of the columns. And also, the variables are brought in with the help of one variable change between two cells. So if you have a b bar dot c bar, then the next cell has 0 1, which is b bar dot c. And then instead of having term number 2, which would have come from b dot c bar, like this is how the variables are arranged sequentially, Mr. Maurice Karnaugh designed the K-map where he brought in term number 3 between term number 1 and 2, which resulted in one variable change between term number 1 and 3. And if you look carefully, you will find B is the variable which is changing state, like B bar also, B also. So A bar and C are remaining common. Similarly, if you look into term number 2 and term number 3, you will see B is staying B, A bar is staying A bar, but C is changing values from C also, C bar also, which means that only C is changing state. So in these two cells, any two cells, if you look, then you will find only one variable is changing state. So you can pause the video and now you can carefully scrutinize which variable is changing state when two cells are considered either horizontally or vertically. In this way, the K-maps are designed and the cell number 7, which should have been probably the last cell, therefore comes in the second last cell of the second row. Now comes the three variables. The next one is after three variables, the four variable K-map. In a four variable sum of product expression, the term numbers are such which starts from 0 goes up to 15. Then the product or min terms are a bar dot b bar dot c bar dot d bar, which was for all of them on 0. And in this way, the final one is a dot b dot c dot d. The alternate zeros and ones for the rightmost, then two zeros and two ones, and then four zeros and four ones, and then eight zeros and then eight ones. Now coming to the K-map. In this K-map, you will find A and B. The left two variables are on the left side and C and D are on the heading. So C and D's similar way 0 0 0 1 1 1 and 1 0 gives the term. So which is C bar D bar, C bar D, C bar dot D, C dot D and C dot D bar. Here also 0 0 0 1 1 1 and 1 0 causes a jump in the swap in the terms. So here a bar dot b bar, a bar dot b, a dot b and a dot b bar. Now this will cause the last two columns to have a swap and it will also cause the last two rows to have a swap, which will therefore cause the last cell which was expectedly 15 to be brought to second last row and second last column. Now look at this very carefully and you will again find that between two cells only one variable will change state. No two cells will have more than one variable changing state. And it's very important to remember where is term number 15. Now, once you observe all this, then in the next video you will see how it is progressing. Okay?